Hello, bottom of the sink. Oh, look it. There's light. So I gotta loosen these screws here. You can't see anything. Where's that dang flasher at? Check this out. Super duper power light. Whoa. Wow. Light is cool. You know, it kind of reminds me of directions. You know, directions are kind of like the light. I think I'm turning it the wrong way. No, right way. I'm not left-handed. I'm holding the phone with my right hand. Pretty cool, huh? So this one had no power. It had power, but it didn't grind. It didn't do its magic. So the first thing you do is that you want to take this, when it's attached to the top of the sink part, you take this tool and you just kind of get it dislodged from this part here. You see? This, I'm not even sure how to install this to the sink, because I probably might as well take this off and put the new one. Oh great, I just spilled some stuff in there, so that's that. So I'm gonna take a minute to try to figure that out, but you know what, when in doubt, kind of like my theme of most of my videos. Look at instructions. Always follow instructions. So
hey,
see?
what drink do you want?
Oh, kiwi or dragon fruit?
You said kiwi or dragon fruit?
The refresher.
The refresher.
Lemonade and light on the ice.
And whatever you get, he wants lemonade and light ice. Okay,
Oh wait, so this. So you do need to take this off. I popped the ring out. Okay, here we go. You see this? So it's this, so. Place a weight such as a disposal in the sink, flange, use a towel, avoid. Okay, anyways, so it's called evenly apply 1/2 thick rope of plumber's putty around the sink flange. Huh? No wait, is that at the bottom? No, that's at the top. Oh, B. What's B? B. Why does this show B right there? Oh, B is the part. Okay, so you go to the list. B is the sink flange. Oh, you put it at the top. Okay. Did it come with it?
Do you have an Apple computer?
No, I have a Microsoft computer. I mean, that's used for drawing, but it's just I play games on it on board most of the time. But it's just I hate it because it's just like it also advertises that it's a gaming PC and it can't run the most simplest games. Like for example, Pac-Man 3 frames per second. Almost anything.
I guess, because I don't understand it. Sounds kind of like a tearjerker, you know?
I mean, it is, but it's just like, of course, I don't need anything.
Good. Probably good to study right there.
I kind of try to do loopholes to try to fix the thing.
Yeah. I suppose. Oh, did you get the 1 year pod or you had to buy both? Oh, good. And it works well.
How
Do they
did I-
help you program it?
It's good 45. It's taking 45 minutes to connect.
Oh. I thought so, man.
I hate Apple products. I dislike them.
No, it's taking too long, so something's not right, obviously.
It's stupid
They
because
suck.
they break so easily compared to Samsung.
No, they
Yeah,
say
especially the
that
dog gets to it.
it needs to charge for 45 minutes and then you have to sync it.
Oh.
Oh, well, duh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably takes.
But I don't like Apple products.
Yeah, no.
Because you barely touch them and then they break.
No, it's Georgia did that.
I'm not talking about
I do all my videos on Apple product, and I like their video editing program, so.
phones, computers.
They shouldn't if you take care of them.
No, the computers suck because they get a bunch of viruses sometimes.
Sometimes, that's right.
Well-
You look at the wrong
Okay,
stuff,
so-
I guess.
No, but there's a
Stick it over here.
50% chance that
So
you
we
can just
put this like this.
I mean, it's the same thing with Samsung or Microsoft, but there's more security possibilities.
And then you don't have to press it. So that's a good point. So check this out. We got all confused about wire nuts. It says flip disposal over and remove the electrical cord plate. Save cable connectors if applicable. It's not applicable because we have a plug-in one. It plugs in straight to the back of the wall, you see? Plugs in, so we don't need to do all that business. Woo. So that's that. So I got the ring off. You loosen the screws. Take the ring out. This comes off. This comes off and this comes off. You see? Yeah. I was struggling with it for a little bit. I didn't read the directions. See? Use a flat screwdriver. Use a flat screwdriver.
Good. Why not?
I don't. I may have a trophy.
Yeah,
So I'm looking for leaks now. Put a couple towels there. See if any spots form from anywhere.
Oh,
And
did you know when they were real puffy? Because flies were eating them?
and then this.
Now that he's in the house all the time. No more flies on the ears.
Fill up the sink. Create some pressure. And then now I'm going to drain. See if there's any leaks from draining it. Turn it on. Whoa.
What happened?
No, I mean, it sucked the water in when I turned it on. It was crazy.
It worked?
It worked.
Well, it's supposed to suck.
Whoa.
Whoa! Imagine doing something and it works.
No, that's not what it...
We had that here forever. I didn't know if it was good
Oh
water.
shoot, the little sticker on the side. I guess you gotta peel it off. You peel it off. According to the directions.
No! I don't like that! No! No!
That's what we have to do. And those.
Model. Hey, child. What up, child? What up, dog? What are you doing? You want to eat this?
No, I thought it
She gave him less chances than this person, you know? Because this person has almost unlimited, Tim.
Well. In the throne room with the Messiah in the heavens. No roof country cold pavements, tired angels, apocalyptic horses run down to the dark earth. Apocalyptic miles on miles, leaving the continent. I'll wait in that place where there's no need for sun. Wait in that place where the demons run from themselves. The world is the salvation is here. They'll take it, the fuel, the Lord has purchased. I was walking dead inside, then the salvation. I was walking dead, then I found that before you begin. Always in that place where the Lord is there too, underneath the throne of God, where the saints rest with themselves. At the church, her body practice in the with soul.
I have been arguing, and I think I rather saw some of the speeches that I'd been making on one of your files there, that capitalism has a moral basis. The reason being, unless you have economic freedom, you will have no other freedom at all.
Yeah.
So the whole of the capitalist society is a moral basis. The basis is that the individual is here to develop his or her talents. He cannot do that without both political freedom and economic freedom. The only kind of society under which you can do that is a capitalist society. To be free, you have to be capitalist. Every free society in the world is a capitalist society. Now, not every capitalist society is free, but
yes,
a precondition of freedom is capitalism. Right. Mm-hmm. So it has a moral basis. Yeah. Now, certainly, if you have freedom to do good or freedom to do evil. Mm-hmm. So obviously, it's the essence of choice. I remember one of your presidents in a speech which I very well remember reading, said power to do good is inseparable from power to do evil. That's, I'm afraid, inherent in choice. Some people use it well, some people abuse it, but it's the basis of the free society. So that's the moral part.
Call me dumb, but I still trip out over this. Look, can't see. This screen won't let me get. The screen won't look past that. Stupid screen. Okay, let me not be so Ah, shoot, there's a screen over here too. Whoa, I guess I can't feature that. Or can I? What a dork.